What is CDBurnerXP? CDBurnerXP is a free application to burn CDs and DVDs, including Blu-ray and HD DVDs. It also includes the feature to burn and create ISOs, as well as a multi-language interface. Everyone, even companies, can use it for free. Go to this page. When you are on the page, click on the link Download and click on Download latest version. Save it on your open the file. Choose Yes. Choose I accept the argument. Click on Next. Uncheck the languages. Click on Next. Click on Install. Check the box Launch CDBurnerXP. Click on Finish.